Mark, you in there?
Hey Heath, what's happening?
How's it going?
Great, how you doing?
Good. The barn is really coming along.
Oh man, granite's in.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Thank you. I actually cut this about a year ago. It's been sitting here just waiting to go up, so I'm happy as heck that it's in.
It looks good. We've got siding on it. We got some trim.
Yeah.
Roof's getting ready. Yeah. Looks like you're about ready for some electrical.
I am.
So the good news is you had a piece of conduit in the ground that we can reuse that was feeding the old shed that was here. So we're going to be able to utilize that and feed the new one.
Okay.
But have you given any thought to what you may or may not want inside? Lights, receptacles, anything in particular?
Well, I want to make sure I'm code complicit. So other than that, I don't want to go too much, only because it's for the chickens.
Chickens.
You know.
So yeah, we'll do a couple of general use receptacles. We'll do some lights inside, maybe a couple outside for the doors.
Yep.
And then give you a little room for a possible expansion in case we, have more chickens and they need more room.
Well, chickens lay eggs, so you never know, Heath.
All right, I got a couple things over here. We'll go grab those and we'll get started.
All right, I'll give you a hand.
So since we're going to start the rough electrical, let's kind of explain what that is. You might be used to it in a house if you're seeing them do a wood frame. They'll start tacking up plastic boxes, pull NM cable through, and get everything made up that way. That's the rough on that. When you're doing something outdoors on the outside of a building or in something like this, I like to make it a little tougher, a little more waterproof, and especially here where we may have rodents chewing on the cable, chickens in there, we don't want to have anything damaged, and you may have to wash it down or do something at some point. I want to make sure it's watertight for you. So we're going to start by making everything outdoor rated. And the first area we're going to start is with the panel. So since we have a conduit coming in, we know we can pull conductors of a certain size in here. I don't want to just put in one circuit for lights or receptacles. I want to give you a little room to grow in case the chickens need more space, in case we want to power another building outside, maybe another shed, give it a receptacle or a light. So we're going to put in a rain-tight panel, and we're going to use this as our starting point.
Great.
After that, it's a matter of locating where we want our switches, receptacles, and lights, and we have a couple of options for boxes for that. So for our switches and receptacles, we're probably going to use a box like this.
Okay.
Mount it to the stud, conduit's going to come right into it, easy enough.
Yep.
For our lights, we'll go to the round ones.
Okay.
So for inside, we'll probably mount these to the ceiling, maybe the wall, depending on where we have things located in there. For the outside, easy enough, we can screw it right to the siding. For inside though, I was thinking a light like this. What do you think?
I think you nailed it. That is perfect.
Yeah, it's completely weatherproof.
Yep.
Nothing's gonna get damaged. There's no glass to break. It's LED. It's all self-contained. Hopefully we don't have to touch it at all.
Right.
And it's flexible, so we can do the ceiling mount, but if you wanted, you can also turn it to the side.
I think that's a great, authentic look.
Yeah, I think it'll work great.
All right.
And then finally, once we have our locations, we'll install the conduit between everything. And this is what we'll use. We'll slide this into the weatherproof connectors, into the box, get everything bent. Once we're all done with that, that's kind of the rough, then we'll get ready for the finish. And the finish consists of starting to pull the wires into the conduit to the locations, put the actual fixtures up, do the switches and receptacles, and turn it on.
Okay, sounds easy enough.
We got a lot of work to do. It's not that easy. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
I think we had a pretty good day here.
I think we had a great day, Heath.
Got all the conduit in.
Yep.
Got our boxes in.
Yep.
Got the panel mounted. Got the conduit behind there ready to come into the panel.
Yep.
Next step is just getting ready to pull some wires.
All right, I'm actually going to be back here with Richard. We got to put in a sink. I don't know if you want to come back that same day.
That's actually a great idea. While you're here, maybe in between helping Richard, you can give me a hand pulling some of the wires. We can get some stuff finished up and maybe get lucky and get some power on.
That sounds great.
All right.
All right, Heath.
See you
Thank
soon.
you. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.